Over the past 6 years, the DrugFreeSG Video Competition has gained popularity with our young filmmakers. The theme of this year's competition, Drug Abuse is Not Victimless, it highlights a crucial aspect overlooked in discussions surrounding drug abuse. That is, drug abuse not only affects the abuser, but also the people who love them.
To be able to find out more about the drug abuse here in Singapore, why youths are taking up drugs, and through this workshop, be able to come up with new ideas and fresh ideas that we can try to apply to our video competitions.
Powerful thing about stories and film is that it also develops a certain empathy, and I think that empathy level actually helps to create a very compelling story.
Don't overthink it. Story is king. Always think about, what emotional payoff I can give to the audience, and when you find that, you find your story.
Really just have fun with it. At the end of the day, filmmaking, storytelling is a very fun process.
To our budding filmmakers, workshop and competition participants, I hope you find participating in this program meaningful. I wish you all the best.